Okay, guys, today I bought the Dr. K's shower bench. Okay, you don't see this part because it's my address, so I carve it out. But I'm uh, I'm gonna do an open box, an assembly, and then a review. Okay, so it's already cut. Take it out. You see how he looks. All right, let's put that out there. Put that on the floor. See, this is the bench, the legs. Okay, and then the screw box. Okay, so once I get all this out, I will do the assembly for you guys. Okay, so first you take your two leg brackets and you what you need to do is you turn this thing upside down, the bench upside down. Okay, and then you get your two leg brackets. Put the one with the groove here down first, and then put the other one, overlap it like that. Okay, so once you overlap it, this box right here has 8 of these twisted screws. Okay, so you what you need to do is you do the middle one first. Put that groove, put that washer on, and then screw it on. Okay, get that one in first, so it'll hold it still or stable, so you can put the next 4 in. Okay, so don't screw all the way in yet. And then for these, you need to fit the washer, okay, like that in the groove. Okay, and then just make sure you screw in, but not too tight. Okay, wait till you put all the other 4 in. There's no tool needed. Okay, so all you need to do is just twist these fitted screw in, and you're good. Okay, so they're good now. Not too tight. The reason I said don't put it in too tight is because this is the next one. Okay, that will hold the legs, stabilize the leg, and stuff like that. So make sure the part that is welded right here goes on the bottom, or if you flip it up like that, that is facing up. Okay, and it should fit in there like that. Next, what you do is you put the screws in, and the washer you put it in this way like this, so it'll flush out like that. If you put it in like that, it'll stick out. See that? So make sure it's like this. It'll flush out just like that there. Okay, got one on. Let's get the other one. Yeah. And if you align it correctly, it should be easy for you. Okay, so make sure everything's aligned. Don't force it in or anything like that. Okay, make sure it's aligned. And this is the last one. Okay. Okay. So once I get all of them in, I could screw them in tight. Okay, just go clockwise or something, counterclock, whichever way you feel like, and make sure they're all tight. Okay, once they're tight, then you can go down to these 4 down here and tie them up. Okay, tighten them up. And then, okay, once they're all tightened up, you can get your legs. Okay, and you see these push pins right here. These push pins right here. What you need to do is you need lined up with them the leveling holes here. Okay, so go there. Boom, the highest one. Okay, and then boom. And the last one, the last leg is in. So here we go. All right, let's test it out. Here we go in the shower. Sit. Perfect height. Okay. So if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you're thinking about buying it, just click the link below. I'm an affiliate with Amazon. I get a little bit, something if you buy this product and help this channel out. Okay, so thank you for coming by, and